before you leave me, baby. Just call me angel of the morning, angel. Just touch my cheek before you leave me, goodbye. Now I'm guilt stricken, stabbing with my head on the floor. Can't be held responsible. She was searching her face. Unresponsible. She fell in love in the first place. For her life and me, I cannot remember what made her say that we were wise and we never compromised. For the life of me, I cannot believe we haven't got 40 cents. We were merely freshmen. Friends took her week's vacation to forget us. This girl took her week's worth of volumes left, and now we're still drinking, sobbing with her head on the floor. Thinks about her now and how we never really wept, he says. Can't be held responsible. She was searching her face. I won't be held responsible. She fell in love in the first place. More than I could see, I cannot remember what made us think that we were more than we never compromised. For the life of me, I cannot believe we haven't got 40 cents. We were merely freshmen. Also weakness is when you are with me. I'm free, I'm careless, I believe of all of yonders will fly. This brings tears to my eyes, my sacrifice. My sacrifice, want to stand up again. Stand up I'm free, I'm careless, I believe upon yonder will fly. This brings tears to my eyes. This when you are with me, I'm free. Careless, I believe. Will fly. This brings tears to my eyes. My sacrifice. The good Silio de Almacen. How, de Carabao de Batoten. Pelesin ko, pambili ng puso sa mga tindera ng bisyo-bisyo. Sa break ko, may pahingi ng cheese. Pambayad ko sa jeepney, kulang pa ng kiss. Mahal ko si Toyang, pagka siya'y simple lamang. Kahit na problema, basta't kami ay magkasama. Madalas man kami walang pera. Makita lang ang video na kanya mga mata, ako ay busog na. Tatandang soraw, take it. Rosa. Kaya wag naman. Yeah, si Mike. open di cuchillo de amarte. Oh, 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 de Carabao de Batoten. Mahal ko si Toyang pagkat siya'y simple lamang. Kahit na problema, basta't kami ay magkasama. Woo! Please, pakinggan niyo ako. Sarado. Di maatunaw. Shit, one way to eh. Let us have peace, let us have light, let us feel to cool night, let us have time, let the sun shine, let us go of the shine. It's coming, the Armageddon's near, the birds coming, can we survive the blitzkrieg, yeah! The blitzkrieg, yeah! The blitzkrieg! You might hear shots in the air. What we like is dog shit. That's why good music is different than when that's late. If you run away, you might hear buckshots in the air. What we like is dog shit. Till the end. Every time every dance and struggle beyond humility. As for my own, I'm to be free. One with my mind, faces can steal. Dun 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 dun. No time to hear things start to live. Fight for my own to live right away. Don't tell me what to do. Leave the candle design on my side. It's not to see to you. Who said that I ain't mine? See through your blurry sight. Out for my own, out to be free. Chắc may number ho? Ah, wala. No need to hear things are the same. Fight for my own to live mine away. See them trying to go down, take down, hold his head above. That's my baby right there. Another the gateway. It's okay to be gay, let's rejoice with the boys in the gateway. Hooray for the kind of man that you will find in the gateway. Father figure we are, you're a shooting star, you've got so far. I was walking your shoes in the closet like you, I got nothing to lose. Hey now gay man, really good soul, get on your knees and pray. Hey man, gay man, release your load, you are the seas to delay. The gay, it's okay to be gay, let's rejoice with the boy in the gay way. Hooray for the kind of man that you will find in the gay way. Oh, now that it is a bargain, rather than love, it's a matter of choice. I'm down, running up here, chup, 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 chup. It's a matter of fight. Hey man, gay man, really sure love, pick up the soul, better believe and pray. Hey man, gay man, really sure love, you got to cease the delay. The gay is okay to be gay, let's rejoice with the boys in the gay way. Hooray for the kind of man that you will find in the gay way. Sing hallelujah, oh bless to ya, oh hallelujah, oh bless to ya. Hey, ho, ho, hey, ho, ho, hey, ho. Down and bending over. It's okay to be gay. Let's rejoice with the boys in the gay way. Hooray for the kind of man that you will find in the gay way. It's okay to be gay. Ah, there's a song. This is the way. Let's rejoice with the boys in the gay way. Hooray for the kind of man that you will find in the gay way. It's okay to be gay. Give up forever. I know that you feel me so now. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna know. And all I can say, and all I can do is sooner or later. I just don't wanna meet you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. Gado? May tamang nga ulit dito yung manang kaya. Kaya may isa dito lang. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am.
Ruth, ayon sa Kalisang Global, kailangan munang harapin na iligo ang lahat ng mga kasong isinama sa kanya bago siya i-deport palabas ng Pilipinas. Ruth? Kaya meron din bang update daw yung Indonesia?
Nahuli na siguro. She just got caught in Indonesia, guys.
Ang Bureau of Immigration natin dito sa
Yeah.
Pilipinas, pero naniniwala sila na nasa Indonesia pa rin sa West Ligo. Ruth? Maraming salamat, Ria Fernandez. Mismong abogado ni District Mayor Aligo ay pabor sa pagkakahuli sa kanyang kliyente. Ayon kay Attorney Stephen Bashir, makapuputi raw ito para kay Go dahil mas makaharap na raw nila ng maayos ang mga akusasyon laban sa dating alkalde. Naharap sa patong-patong na reklamo si Go dahil sa money laundering at sa kanyang koleksyon sa sinalakay ng Coco Hub sa Pambantar lang. May nakabinbin din co-warrant of suspicion laban kay Go dahil lang sa alegasyon ng misrepresentation o pagsisinungaling sa kanyang katauhan nang tumakbo siyang mayor.
Development, they can now face the legal battle without any fear na mag-default tayo because of her appearance. Actually, this is good for her. She just doesn't realize it right now.
Magsilbing babala sa mga nagtatangkang tumakas sa batas ng bansa. Yan ang naging pahayag ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ngayong araw, katulad ng pagkaka-aresto kay dating Mayor Alice Go. Ayon sa Pangulo, walang saysay na magtago dahil mahahabol at mahuhuli rin ang mga may atraso sa batas. Pinasalamatan din ng PBBM ang mga otoridad sa Indonesia na tumulong sa pag-aresto sa dating alkalde.
Ms. Gore shall be entitled to all legal protections due her under the laws of the land and pursuant to our commitment to the rule of law. But we will not allow this to prolong the resolution of the case, whose outcome will be a victory for the Filipino people.
Yeah.
Samantala sinagot naman ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang mga kritiko na naghahanap sa kanya noong mga unang araw nang magsimula ang pananalasa ng bagyong Enteng at Habaga. Ginawa niya ng pangunahan kanina ang situation briefing ng National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council. Nag-trending kasi kahapon ang dati nang nag-viral na hashtag nasaan ang Pangulo. May mga ulat pa nga ng umano'y isang health emergency.
It's totally and completely fake. I do not even have a cold. I do not have anything wrong with me. I'm fine. Thank you for your concern.
Salang paulit na lang ng NDRRMC, mahigit 100,000 pamilya ang naapektuhan sa pananalasa ng bagyong Enteng sa bansa. May 12 namang naiulat na nasawi. 11 ang sugatan habang 7 ang nawawala. Nasa labasan ng Philippine Air Responsibility ang severe tropical storm Enteng pero hindi pa po natatapos ang mga bakulan sa linggong ito. Natatapos pa rin kasi ang bansa ng trough o buntot ng bagyo. Yan ang magdadala ng kalat-kalat na pag-ulan sa mga probinsya sa Cordillera sa Cagayan Valley, pati na sa Ilocos Norte at Ilocos Sur. At kasabay ng pagkilos ng bagyo Pakanluran ay ang paghatak na malito ng habagat. Ito ang magpapaulan sa malaking bahagi ng Luzon hanggang bukas. Dahil sa sinasabi ng pag-asa sa mga kapatulan ng mga pagkakas, isang bawat